Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add the vacuuming appointment for your Viomi SE using the Xiaomi Home app. So to do that we'll need to have the device added, then select the device, press the three little dots in the top right corner of the screen and go to vacuuming appointment. From here you can see the plus down in the right corner of the screen. Select it and you can start adding the appointment. So for example, repeat, let's press on that and you'll be able to change it to repeat always. So select all of the days for a specific day or just one time job for your vacuum cleaner. The next option is vacuum time and you can appoint the specific time for it to start vacuum. So for example, tomorrow on 7:32. The next option is appointment mode and you can change it to vacuum, vacuum and mop or just mop. The next option is water volume and you can change it from 1 to 2 or 3. And the last option here is vacuuming range, and if you press on that you will need to complete overall vacuuming task and successful automatic recharge. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.